Microsoft Viva. Viva Topics. Discover knowledge and expertise. Automatically organize content and expertise throughout your organization so it's easy to find. Turn content into knowledge. Identify and automate content. Use AI to automatically identify, process, and organize content across your organization's data. Curate Topics. Curate and organize knowledge. Help your organization's experts refine and cultivate topics and related resources with topic pages and topic cards. Improve discovery. Make knowledge easy to discover. Automatically display topic cards across Microsoft 365 apps to help employees discover knowledge in the context of their work. Thanks for watching this video, and for any service required you contact me now at
844-844-0769.